Hello guys, in today's video we're going to check out the best gifts for music lovers on 2020. Some people don't just listen to music. They live it, whether they're a musician or someone who just likes to put on a nice pair of noise-canceling headphones and escape the world for a few hours. The coolest audiophile in your life deserves a gift that will stand up to their love of music. From the most high-quality earbuds out there to a badass rock and roll-inspired set of pint glasses, we've got you covered when shopping for gifts for a music lover. 5. Blue Yeti Nano USB Microphone. The Blue Yeti Nano microphone is a great gift for budding podcasters and game streamers. It's easy to set up and use, as well as capable of capturing audio with exceptional quality and no latency delay. There are multiple colors to choose from, including this awesome option, dubbed Red Onyx. The device is compatible with both PC and Mac computers. 4. Cambridge Audio Melomania 1 Truly Wireless Earbuds. The Cambridge Audio Melomania 1 are among the best completely wireless earbuds we've tested to date, and a great gift for an audiophile that needs a break from cables. The buds have superb audio quality, intuitive controls, and an IPX4 rating for water resistance. Melomania 1 users can get up to a rather superb 9 hours of battery life between charges. Their charging case holds an additional 36 hours worth of wireless tunes. 3. MEES 99 Classics Wired Over-Ear Headphones. The MEES 99 Classics are a fantastic gift for audio aficionados who prefer wired headphones. The over-ear cans have timelessly beautiful design, equally impressive craftsmanship, their walnut ear cups are finished by hand, and phenomenal audio quality. The headphones are also effortlessly comfortable, thanks to a self-adjusting headband and memory foam ear pads. The headphones have an impedance of 32 ohms, meaning that users won't need a dedicated amplifier to enjoy them. You can order them with silver or gold metal accents. 2. Como Audio Musica Wireless Audio System. The Como Audio Musica is an all-in-one, compact wireless audio system that combines modern tech with traditional design and craftsmanship. It's a great gift for audiophiles and music lovers since it looks equally great in the home or office. The audio system offers an incredibly broad range of audio playback options, be it popular streaming services, Chromecast, all or a CD player and FM radio. 1. Audio-Technica LP60X Turntable. Vinyl is constantly growing in popularity, making the Audio-Technica LP60X turntable the perfect gift for someone who's looking to begin collecting records. Priced below $100, the fully automatic, belt-driven device has intuitive controls and exceptional audio performance. The turntable is crafted from cast aluminum, so it looks incredibly stylish in, well, the metal. Audio-Technica offers the LP60X in several eye-catching finishes.